Asian Institute of E-Commerce. AIE benefits.
All air-conditioned classrooms. Affordable tuition fee as low as 4,999. First-class facilities.
Industry curriculum. Outcome-based curriculum. Hands-on skills training.
Competent teachers. Do you want to finish your study and find job in an easy and faster way?
Approach AIE now.
We offer 2 years diploma in bookkeeping,
Information technology.
hotel and restaurant services,
Computer hardware servicing.
3 days a week. Classes is the most convenient schedule. Our mission is to develop globally competitive professionals and God-fearing leaders who will lead nations into the greatness of the glory of God. Our vision is to be a premier educational institute giving high-quality education in consonance with the global industry needs and the world economy. Our philosophy: a worthy institutions of learning must expose its students to global realities and the relevance of God in the challenging times.
You can find it all in AIE.
Aspire,
Inspire.
educate.
Asian Institute of E-Commerce.